Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of widgets not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is obviously to enable widgets. Now, how do we do this? Widgets are not visible on my system because they are disabled. Right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. You'll find the switch for widgets. You can straight away turn it on. The next solution is to restart the widgets process. And how do we restart the widgets process? Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager window. Now expand this list and scroll down to this one, Windows Widgets here. Right click on it and select Restart if the restart option is available, or simply end the task and then we'll push it once again. I will right click on the taskbar settings. I will switch off widgets and then I'll switch it once again. This will restart widgets. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Now, if everything else fails, then the only option is to reset Windows. Why? This will rebuild the image of the system. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery and then click on reset and then click on remove everything. And then in the next page, select cloud reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.